what I'm going to show you is how to evaluate a function using your graphing calculator. So what you're going to want to do is go up to this y equals button and hit that, and this screen should come up, and then you can enter a function. So this is the one we were looking at in class. I'm going to clear it and type it again for you. So I'm going to put in negative. Remember, when you're, just keep in mind, don't do the minus. You have to use the negative here. 4x plus 1 was our function, and I'm going to hit enter. Our x variable is this button right here next to the alpha. Now once I have that, I can push second and then graph, and that's actually looking at table then. And what you get is this chart, or this table of values. So here are our inputs. So if x is 0, then you would plug in 0 for x in our function that we put in for y equals, and you would get an output of 1, and so on. So what you can take note of is that this chart goes on forever. So you can scroll up, you can scroll down, and it'll give you all of the input outputs for as far as you can go. One thing to take note of. Okay, so if you go to second and then hit window, that's actually the table set. You can do some different things with this table. Something that's really useful is if you go to the independent variable, which is x, and change that to ask. So I'm going to hit enter there. And then I'm going to go back to the table, so second graph. Now I can type in any x value I want, so let's say x is 0. And it'll give me the output, y is 1. If x is -3, y will be 13. So that would be a quick way to evaluate a function if we ask, for example, f of 1, f of 20, and f of 35. You could just really quickly put in 1, 20, 35, and you'll get all of those outputs. So that's a really quick way to use your graphing calculator to evaluate functions.